Welcome to this 5-minute healing meditation. Take a moment to find a quiet, comfortable space. You deserve this time to reconnect, to release, and to heal. Let's begin by closing your eyes and bringing your awareness to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Feel your body soften as you exhale. Let your breath guide you into this moment. With each inhale, invite calm. With each exhale, let go of tension. Let go of the day, the thoughts, the weight you've been carrying. Now gently scan your body from head to toe, softening your forehead, your eyes, relaxing your jaw, unclenching your teeth. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tightness. Feel your chest open, your belly soften. Allow your legs to feel heavy, rooted, supported by the earth beneath you. With every breath, you are surrendering, melting into stillness. Now imagine a warm, golden light above your head. This light is gentle, loving, and full of healing energy. With your next inhale, invite this light into your body. Let it fill your mind, washing away stress and doubt. This golden light slowly flows down to your throat, your heart, your stomach, cleansing and healing, dissolving pain, softening any wounds, emotional or physical. Feel it flowing through your arms, your fingers, your legs. You're glowing from the inside out. You're whole. You're safe. You're healing. Silently or out loud, repeat these words after me. I am healing. I am healing. I am whole. I am whole. I am at peace. I am at peace. Every breath I take brings more light into my body. I release what no longer serves me. I choose love. I choose peace. I choose me. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this peaceful energy with you. You are deeply loved and always supported.